Hey guys, did you know that tug of war used to be an Olympic sport? My name is Amna and welcome back to I Bet You Didn't Know. Here are 10 facts I bet you didn't know about the Amur leopard. The Amur leopards are highly endangered, and as of 2018, there are only 84 of them left in the world. Amur leopards are found in the eastern parts of Russia. Their range is small and confined to forests crossed by the Amur River, a natural boundary between Russia and China. They are the only leopard species that are adapted to survive in extreme climates. Amur leopards are carnivores. They hunt deer, wild boars, and badgers. Forest fires and deforestation threaten Amur leopards. Other threats include poaching for their fur and bones, illegal trade, and trophy hunting. Not only are Amur leopards able to swim, but when they're running, they can reach up to 37 miles per hour. Amur leopards have pale yellow spotted fur. Their fur grows thicker in the winter to protect them from extreme climate. The male and female Amur leopards are both similar in size, but the males are still a little heavier than the females. They have longer legs and big feet. This makes it easier for them to walk, prowl, and hunt in the snow. Like many big cats, Amur leopards are nocturnal. During the day, they sleep in caves or undercover and hunt during dusk and dawn. The Amur leopards are still in critical condition. However, there are plans to reintroduce them to the wild. I bet you didn't know all these facts, and now that you do, we hope you help to make a difference. Which of these facts did you know? And comment if you have anything to add. Stay tuned for a lot of new things I bet you didn't know. Thanks for watching.
There's always something new at Toffee TV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com